Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Asas Elite. Yet another video for the work progress. Let's see what has been done on this project. As you all know, Asas Elite is a 3 BHK, 1200 square feet. Each floor you have got two flats, and we are here at Asas Elite, the location for the new ones who are joining us. The location is at SBI Colony and pretty much broad road, around 40 feet, 45 feet. This road leads you to St. Anne's College. Pretty much greenery in this colony. It's an SBI colony. It's an layout colony. This road leads you straight to the Arvind Hospital, and this road takes you into the Dilshad Nagar colony and other couple of colonies. Let's come back and review the project details. The material is here. Even during this pandemic, we are taking all the precautions and the work is on full swing. We have not stopped the work till now. As you all know, the entire construction is from red brick. And let's enter into the project. Yes, it's a project of Asas Constructions and Landmark Homes. For all, the lifts are done by Meccan, pretty much professional people of Meccan, and this is the elevation. Let's get inside and have a look at the project. We are getting inside the project, and let me also include this. The transformer is already installed and it's ready to get started. Let's enter into the building. The stuff is lying for all the sanitary and drain jobs. The entire ground floor is going to be the parking. Setbacks are there on all the three sides. This is the parking area. Very windy. It's a little bit sunny today. That's the pit for partial rainwater harvest. Spacious staircase with large lift which can accommodate at least 6 to 8 people, and pretty much ventilated project from all the sides. This place could be the place for the electrical meter panel. Let's get on to the project. Pretty much wide, spacious and bright enough staircase. We are getting on to the units. The unit looks, it's all done. The plaster is done. So this is the unit number 1. What you're seeing once you land up in the common area of the floor. Very limited common area, so that you don't have problems with the neighbors. This is the flat number 2. The moment you come out of the lift, this is the lift. This is the flat number 1 and flat number 2. So that's the staircase, pretty much ventilated, a lot of windows around, and I'm sure you're not going to have any problem with the ventilation. There'll be free air, very well ventilated. Each unit is very well ventilated. It has got most of the sides windows. Let's enter into the project. These are the staircase, and then you have a landing, wide enough landing, and then the next level. The common area plastering has been done. The flats are finished, and you could see the plaster work is all done at the common areas. And let's enter into one of the unit and see what's happening and what has been done till now. It's one of the unit. The plaster is all done. This is the hall. The view is from the window. Pretty much huge hall. This would be the entrance. The moment you enter, you have a room, whether you call it a drawing room or the guest room or the third bedroom. It looks like 12 by 11 kind of a room. It's windy, nice breeze, and this is the room. Here you're going to have plaster of Paris, and the hall will have a complimentary false ceiling. So this is the room, the first room, the moment you enter into the flat. Coming out of it, that's the main entrance. The moment you enter into the flat, this is the first room. Getting on to the rest of the house, this arch takes you inside the rest of the house. This is the hall. The view is from the arch. The hall gets little broader after the kitchen. Those are the two bedrooms on the roadside, the main roadside. As I told you, the hall gets little broader, wider rather, once after this wall. It gets little wider. This is the view of the hall from one of the bedroom entrance. So here the hall is wider than the one at the entrance. Probably you could use this. You can have 3 full-fledged bedrooms, and from this beam you could have a curtain or some kind of partition and have that particular area till here. You could have this large area as your living or TV lounge or the drawing area. And right bang opposite to this, you can have this as your dining come living come TV lounge, whatever you desire or whatever you think. So this is the exact area where you can have the hall, the second part of the hall. So it's a huge hall when you mix it up, both the sections of the halls. Let's get on to one of the bedroom from the right hand side. Let's see this bedroom first. This is the room number 2, one we have seen. Room number 2 has got a big window, a door which takes you to the balcony, around 3.5-4 feet balcony. This is the view from the balcony. Lot of greenery, as I told you. And coming back to the subject, the room number 2. Coming out of room number 2, let's get on. Room number 1. Room number 3. 1, 2, and this one is 3. This is the master bedroom. The moment you enter, you have a big window on the roadside again. Look at this, lot of greenery. You're going to have a lot of oxygen coming in from this window. And this is going to be the wardrobe, the overhead storage, and yes, of course, that's the attached bathroom. Very much spacious, very much spacious, and as I told you, a lot of ventilation points all over. So the moment you come out from third room, you'll face bang opposite will be the kitchen, and just before that, prior to that, will be the hand wash area. So the marking there, you're going to have plumbing pipes there and a large window for the ventilation. And this is going to be the common bathroom. Coming to the kitchen, overhead storage, RCC platform. The flooring work is yet to be completed. The waterproofing jobs are going on for the floor. So this is going to be the platform, the RCC platform. This spot is for the utensils washing. And then yes, this is going to be the washing machine area. It will be very convenient and easy for the sisters who are in the kitchen, and they can very well have an eye on the washing machine. space is very well planned and it has been used very smartly rather. So coming out, this could be your point for the fridge. You can have any size of refrigerator here. And out of the kitchen, at your left hand side is the common bath. That gully is for the hand wash area. And yes, 2 bedrooms, a huge hall, and then the drawing room or the 3rd bedroom, and yes, the exit. It's Asas Elite at Mehdipatnam at SBI Colony, and it's approximate 300 square yards land, and you have got 2 units on each floor, approximate 150 150 square yards approximate will be the size of each unit. And the available units are at the 4th floor and the 5th floor. We are watching this unit at 4th floor, and it's 1200 SFT, and this 1200 SFT is the Imandari wala. It's not per square feet rate. The sake of it, we call 1350, you can call it. Most of the builder does, but we don't, as we don't sell per square feet, and we don't even charge for extra amenities as well. So the gentleman here has done a little bit of modification by widening the kitchen entrance. It looks beautiful. So 1200 SFT, 3 bedroom, hall, kitchen, and yes, it has got 2 balconies, 1 for the bedroom and 1 for the kitchen. And this is also, you can call it as a balcony, but we have made use of this space for hand wash area. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have any queries or questions, please ping us. Yes, it's Mehdipatnam, very much near to the St. Anne's Women's College. It's just 2 minutes or 3 minutes walk, and this is the update of Asas Elite at SBI Colony, Mehdipatnam, near St. Anne's Women's College. Please do like us on Facebook, which is lmh.hyd. Yes, it's LMH, Landmark Homes Hyderabad. And do like and subscribe us on our YouTube channel, which we have recently started. And would appreciate if you have any queries or questions. Please float your questions. Do get in touch with us on our WhatsApp mobile number 9989895591. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video of Asas Elite by Landmark Homes and Asas Constructions at Mehdipatnam. Thank you. Have a nice, safe, healthy and fantabulous day. And thank you for all those people who all are coming and encouraging us, appreciating our jobs. Even during the COVID lockdown, we had been doing our jobs. Not a single project is delayed. We have got a couple of other projects as well. Do come, visit our places, see the quality of construction, and yes, it's very much value for money. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video. Asas Constructions and Landmark Homes would like to thank you for watching this video. Do share, subscribe and like our video. Thank you very much. Have a nice, fantastic, fantabulous day. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.